In June of 2000, 16-year-old Molly Bish disappeared. In May of 2003, a hunter found a blue bathing suit in the woods about 3 miles away from Molly's disappearance.
Can you tell me the circumstances to her discovery?
Well, we had heard from a local hunter, and an off-duty police officer actually had found the bathing suit, and when the police went to find it, they had to send it in for DNA. We really didn't know. So once they sent that in and it was completed, again, it was just waiting. You keep waiting longer. I'll never forget it. We were right here, and I knew it was Molly's. They didn't have to do DNA. I knew it because I bought it. I went with her to get it. And then that's when they organized a search team. They told us they found her skull. And the next day they had some rib bones, and they only found 26 bones. Molly came in pieces. We didn't bury Molly to her 20th birthday, and we got through it. We had a lady that came by and she offered to do a butterfly release. All of a sudden they were flying everywhere, and it was like Molly saying, "Okay, it's okay, Mom," and this joy, and it was like a perfect ending to a very sad time.
Now, what really amazes us is that you continued to do the foundation work. Even after, Molly came home, we had the burial, you and John are still here, and he was still so determined to fight for other families and other children. How long did he work on the foundation afterwards?
Well, it was 7 years post Molly and her being taken, and he had a stroke in June 2007, and it was a massive stroke. We had 20 minutes to decide if we wanted him to live or not. We knew he was very compromised, and so it was very tough time for our family. John was in Boston for 3 months. He didn't come home. He had those 2 major surgeries. He couldn't swallow. He had to relearn to talk and walk. He's had some ups and downs, but he's a trooper. He doesn't give up.
He is. I love him. So talk to us a little bit about what's been going on this year.
It's been a hard year for our family, and we're medically anyway, and unfortunately, things just didn't get done. And
sure. And why would they, right?
And we were running so much for so long. Things just started building up, and, particularly the basement was like, it was a storage place, and it was the foundation, and we did work down there, but it just got worse, and we brought things in, and then nobody knew where to put them, and it was just overwhelming.
Maggie, thank you so much for sharing your story with us. It is just unbelievable to me that you ran that foundation out of the basement for so many years. But listen, I am so glad that we are here because we can put this guy to work, see what he can do down there, and maybe we can turn it into a space that you can use.
That would be wonderful.
All right, well, I better change my shirt and get to work.
If you have any information about the disappearance or murder of Molly Bish, call our tip line at 508-453-7575. Tell us your story at murdermatters.com.